Hello Frameworks friends! Today we are restoring an old frame. Well, a couple of old frames. We received these last week and they were in a little rough shape. They are actually two frames and two moldings glued together to fit these giant canvases, but over time, things fell apart. Martin didn't hesitate to step into action. Over the past couple weeks, he restretched these old canvases, re-glued and rejoined the frames, and filled in all the holes. These are some of the longest frames we've ever joined. It took 2 tables just to hold them up. When he finished, every single one looks totally brand new. They're practically seamless. Compared to a side-by-side with what they looked like before, I'd say they got a pretty good upgrade. Stop by Frameworks to give your art a little upgrade. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Remember to be limitless. Love, Frameworks.